Let us continue the example where you are walking to your grandma's house. She's got an awesome cookie right there. You know that, let's see, you walk 3 miles an hour. It's 4.24 miles to grandma's house. Remember, this isn't a scale. And new information is you stride 3.2 feet. That means when you take a step, your feet are 3.2 feet across. We've got to figure out how many strides, or how many steps basically, is it going to take you to get to grandma's house. Now this is kind of easy once you start figuring out what we've got. Okay, you're going to have to figure out miles to feet, and we've got already, we know, feet to strides. Now miles to feet is easy. We know that there's 5,280 feet per mile. Feet to strides, you know that each stride is 3.2 feet. So if you have to figure out how many strides it's going to take you to walk the 4.24 miles, let's see, we convert 5,280, that's how many feet it is, divided by 3.2, and that gives us 1,650 strides. Okay, now this is just in a mile though. So remember, it's 5,280 feet per mile, 3.2 feet per stride, so that is 5,280, divide 5,280 feet per mile by 3.2 feet, it's 160 strides per mile. Now you have to travel 4.24 miles, remember. So what we do is 1,650 strides per mile, and we have to multiply that times 4.24 miles. Okay, you got that? So once again, 5,280 feet per mile, 3.2 strides, or feet per stride, gives us 1,650 strides per mile. Then, after that, we have how many strides it takes per mile. We have to figure out how many strides per 4.24 miles, which is the distance in Grandma's house. And if you give me just a moment to bring up my calculator, 1650 times 4.24 equals 6,996 strides to Grandma's house. So it is 6,996. 6,996 strides, or steps basically, to Grandma's house. Now this is kind of a difficult concept. Stop this video, rewind it, replay it as many times as you need to understand the concept.